Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Commerce Connector Learn through Akanksha. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss the technological environment, which is one of the component of business environment. In my previous videos, I have discussed various other components of business environment, which are economic environment and political environment. I'm providing the link below in description box. You can check it from there. So let's start with technological environment. Technological environment refers to the state of technologies, or we can say the technologies used in the areas of manufacturing, mining, construction, material handling, transportation, etc. So, technology is basically the advancement in the ways of working. Earlier, most of the works are done by the manpower, but now there are so many machineries are available to do the works. This is what basically the technology is, the advancement in the way of working. So technology not only includes machines, but it also includes the ways of thinking that can be used in problem solving, and it also promotes progress in the society. We all know that external environment affects the business unit, and technological environment is one of the part of external environment. So the progress of business depends on the level of technology available in the market or in the society. Advancement in technology leads to greater productivity. Means a firm which uses advanced technology can increase their production, as well as they can increase the quality of their product. And the use of advanced technology also leads to reduction in the cost of production. This is how a business this is how a business can grow up. The time lag in introduction and absorption of technology affects business unit. The developed countries are the one who innovates new technologies, and they are the one who first adopts the technology. And the developing countries usually lag behind the developed countries for the adaptation of new technology. To understand this more clearly, we can take the example of Uber. So Uber is growing just because of the technological environment. The company Uber is using the technology to grow. We all know that it is a taxi service provider, and people like its features such as easy accessibility with the app and taxi sharing. The Uber app also provides information such as estimated charges of ride, traffic, drop-off location, etc. People post positive reviews on the app, and it helps the company to grow fast. So this is how the technological environment can help in the progress of a business firm or a business unit. The next example is of Adidas. So Adidas is a very renowned brand. I think all of you must know about it. It is a Germany-based top sports and apparel manufacturer. So Adidas uses online websites to progress the business, as it sells products around the world in their stores, but it also uses the online website. The use of this technology, the use of e-commerce technology helps the Adidas in growing very rapidly in this changing environment. So this is all about the technological environment and how a technological environment affects a business unit. So that's all for today. If you have any doubt and suggestions regarding this video, please comment below in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.